Today we will prepare together apple cookies, fragrant and soft, with cinnamon and brown sugar, perfect for a sweet and spicy break. Ingredients: 300 grams of 00 flour, 100 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of butter at room temperature, 1 large egg, 1 large apple, preferably of the Renetta variety, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, half a packet of baking powder, the grated zest of 1 lemon for a fresh touch. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 if it is ventilated. Peel and cut the apple into very small pieces. In a bowl, mix the flour with the brown sugar, cinnamon, pinch of salt, and baking powder. Add the softened butter to the dry ingredient mix and work with your hands or a fork to get a sandy texture. Incorporate the egg and the grated lemon zest into the mixture and stir until you get a homogeneous dough. Finally, add the apple pieces to the dough and mix gently. Place spoonfuls of dough on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the cookies are golden. Let the cookies cool on a rack before serving. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. The Renetta apple is appreciated in Italy for its mealy texture and balanced flavor, perfect for pastries. These cookies can be enjoyed as a sweet snack during the day, or as a perfect accompaniment to tea or coffee. If you wish, you can also add a few drops of vanilla essence for a richer aroma. Happy baking and enjoy your meal!